Hi, I'm Anne.
And I'm Adam. Welcome
Welcome to
to
Daily
Daily
English
English
Podcast.
Podcast.
Hello, hello. Welcome back to our channel, everyone. It is so good to see you again, friends. Adam, I feel very happy today. Do you see where I am sitting?
Hi, Anne. Hi, everyone. Yes, I see you. You look very comfortable. You are in your favorite place in the house, right?
Exactly. I am in my favorite corner. A corner is a small, special space in a room.
What a great word to start. Corner. My favorite corner is my desk, but yours looks much more cozy.
That's because I have everything I need here. I have my soft armchair, my bookshelf full of books, and, of course, my big window.
That window is amazing. You always say you like to look at the clouds or stars while you rest.
Yes, it gives me so much peace. But sometimes I am so distracted that I just stare at the sky and forget that I have to study.
I understand. Distracted, friends, is when you lose focus on what you are doing. Remember, we practiced that word in the last episode. Anne, tell us, what do you have on your bookshelf?
I have many science books and some small plants. I love the color green. It makes my corner feel full of life.
Plants are excellent for decoration. I have one on my desk, but it is a little different. It's a cactus. I also have my headphones and a modern lamp.
A cactus, huh? Is that so you don't have to water it all the time? You are so practical, Adam.
Yes, yes, you caught me.
Headphones. Those are for listening to music, right?
Yes. Headphones are the device you put on your ears to listen to music without bothering other people. It's my way to find calm.
That's great. My corner is sometimes a little messy. There are books here and teacups there, but not too much. Messy means things are not in their place.
Well, Anne, that is part of your enthusiastic personality. But here is a tip from a friend. Try to be a little more organized so you don't lose my keys again next time I visit.
Oops, I'm sorry. But you are right, Adam. You always give me good advice. Being organized means putting everything in its place. I will try, really.
Don't worry, I believe you. Hey, I see something special on the table in front of you. Is that an old photo?
Oh, yes. It's a souvenir from my last trip. A souvenir, or a memory, is an object you keep so you don't forget a special moment.
That's a very nice object. I also have a special souvenir on my shelf. It's a small compass that my grandfather gave me.
A compass. How interesting. Guys, a compass is an instrument that helps you know where north, south, east, and west are.
Yes. It reminds me that there is always a way, even when we feel lost. It's my favorite object.
Wow, Adam. I love that. It's a great thought to keep in mind. Guys, Do you have a favorite corner at home? Is it an organized place or a little messy like mine?
Tell us in the comments. Do you have plants, books, or maybe musical instruments in your corner? We want to know about your peaceful spaces.
Yes, please. Learning about other people's spaces is very inspiring. That means something gives you new and great ideas.
Exactly. For example, Anne inspires me to want a bigger window in my city house.
And you inspire me to use my planner to be less distracted. We are a good team, Adam.
The best team, Anne. We complement each other well. But please, find my keys.
Oh, Adam, I forgot. I promise I will look for them at the end of the podcast.
Okay. Well, I think we shared a lot about our personal lives and our homes today. I hope you found this video useful and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, subscribe so you don't miss our conversations.
If you don't, Anne will be very sad, and she won't look for my keys.
Of course not. You will have your keys tomorrow, I promise. But please comment and subscribe. Share with your friends if you find our content useful and entertaining.
Well, I think that's all for today. We shared a great topic.
That's true. I feel closer to our friends today. But before we finish, we have to review the new words, Adam.
Of course. Don't go away. Here comes today's summary.
Let's start with corner. A small, special space or an angle in a room.
Armchair. A large, individual, and very comfortable seat.
Bookshelf. The piece of furniture where you put your books or decorations.
Cactus. A plant that needs very little water to live.
Headphones. The device you wear on your ears to listen to music in private.
Messy. When things are not in their place or a space is untidy.
Organized. A person who puts everything in its proper place.
Souvenir. An object you keep to remember a trip or a special moment.
Compass. An instrument used to find north, south, east, and west.
Inspiring. Something that gives you new and very good ideas.
Complement. When two different things or people work very well together.
Team. People who work together for the same goal.
Bothering. Annoying, disturbing, or causing trouble to someone.
Messy. When things are completely out of their proper place. And that's all for today. I loved sharing this time with you. Don't forget that every new word is one more step on your way to English.
That's right, Adam. Today we learned a lot about our favorite corners and the objects we love. Practice calmly and enjoy the process. Remember, this will always be your peaceful space to learn.
See you in the next episode to keep talking.
Take good care of yourselves and happy learning!
Goodbye.